All right, Moto Hounds, thought I'd give you a quick update on what I've been up to the past couple weeks, getting the garage organized. I epoxied the floors myself with the epoxy shield by Rust-Oleum. Got a nice defined space for the bikes. Here we have storage, cabinet, everything I need for the oil, filter change, wash, and maintenance. My riding gear's down there. And then I got covers for the bikes as well. Picked up a used toolbox that locks, and I've been acquiring all of the tools I need to self-service the bikes. The Monkey, ended up getting the man in the box quick release bolts in, and then on the Interceptor, been hard at work replacing certain parts that were damaged because I did buy this used, and then I added a dart fly screen. Wrapped the grips with Trip Machine leather to match the seat. Got the matching keychain, and then I'm waiting on chrome mirrors and then adjustable brake levers, and then that'll be that for now. But anyways, super happy. Wanted to give you guys an update. This has taken a lot of work doing it myself, and I'll be getting back to content in the next week or so.